guys, with Temu, it is an online marketplace. There is an app that makes it super easy for you guys just to move around inside of Temu. Temu has everything, just like Amazon. A lot of things though are less expensive than you buying them on Amazon. So there are several items that I have checked to see how much it costs on Temu and then how much it costs on Amazon. And they're the same items, guys, and it's so much lower. So please check out the app, okay? That's where you need to be. So down below, I do have a link with a code. And if you use that code, you'll get 30% off your first order and $100 in coupons towards your next orders. If you look into my videos, I do have a playlist for them. I buy a lot of things from them. I buy anything from like the outdoor stuff that you see. I buy clothing, kitchen stuff, living room things. It's like they have every category. I buy shoes and jewelry and no end, guys. There's just no end. So please check that out. Click on my link so that you get 30% off that first order, guys, and those coupons. Definitely well worth it, okay? So you have to be a first-time user though. That's the key. You have to be a first-time user. And as you go through Temu, every once in a while, you'll get offers for coupons off different orders. So just be aware of those, or you'll see 99 cents. Everything on this page is 99 cents. And when you go in there, you just click, 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 and then you can check out really easy. I use AfterPay, so it makes it super easy for me to check out. So since I am an affiliate with Temu, I do make pennies off the first order that you do, but I also get, I think it's $5 for each person who will sign up through my link. So I do appreciate that. That helps the channel, as you guys know. So let's see. Let's get in here and find the prices for the items that I received. Now I'm gonna be putting pictures in. You'll see actual live pictures in, or video that I took outside while we were hanging them up. I will also take more pictures after my husband, he's out there gonna be filling up the hummingbird feeder and then putting water in the bird bath. We've already tried the dog bowl and I have a little video on that, but you guys will see all kinds of pictures and videos coming up throughout the video. Okay, the first item, I got that hanging bird bath. It says 1-piece colorful hanging bird bath tray, and right now it is $18.68, and it looks like they may have, let's see, no, that's the color that I have. It's really pretty. It is glass. So found the pricing and description. Okay, so that was the hanging bird bath. Okay guys, so the triple hummingbird feeder, pictures on either side. It says it is $7.78 right now. It says 3-piece hanging hummingbird feeder set, and it is super pretty. So we're gonna try that one out. And the last item, okay, so I found it. It says 1-piece no spill pet water bowl for cats and dogs, no slip floating design. Says it neck guard, available in 3 colors. Let's see which one I got. I think ours was in the off-white, but they have off-white, they have gray, and they have pink. So let me see how much it is right now. $4.57, so that's a great price. So guys, thank you so much for being here and watching my video on Temu products. Like I said, I love Temu. They have lots of great products, from clothing all the way to outdoor equipment. I'm definitely looking at them for some of the stuff that I need around my pool. They are super cheap compared to a lot of the others. So make sure that you click on that link if you've never shopped Temu before. And please check out my playlist for Temu and see what else I've gotten. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.